What's there, man? Keep rolling. This one is big.
Hi guys. So I tried to pull it, and that's my fishing rod, and I tried to pull it, and it was very hard.
Yeah, it's too big. Let's see how big it is.
Yeah. It's like super hard.
What? Oh. Pasuga, takal. Takal. This one is heavyweight. Look at that. Nagtakilan.
Not that fish, and I need a help because, like,
Isu mo lang mati na maguyod Ne, nagtakil na mati na maguyod. Ay, nagato karne na ato yan dyan. Nagimas nga ipis bulato yan. Picture. Ivan, come in. Come on, support.
If they go right here, they can be free.
Yeah. Na katatlo na
But
si Sir.
they're not smart enough to think of that.
Oh. Because they're hungry, they wanna eat the small fish. Right?
Yeah, because it's like lunch.
Yeah, they're lunch right now.
It's lunch right now.
This one moving again, Iman. Pull the blue one. Nalengag fishing. Okay. Do it. Pull. Good job. I like it. Huh? How is it? Huh? Ano? It's moving? No. Oh.
Wait, let me see.
Yeah. Go. It might.
Yeah, it's moving a lot.
It's moving a lot? Yeah? Wow. Good boy. Naglenga na gala lamusan. Yeah? Wow.
This is a big
Yeah,
fish.
that's a big fish.
Ayan o, gumagalaw itong pan. Isa. Ay, yung na naman.
Pagka gumalaw, you pull. Okay. Pull. Yan. That's good. Very good. Perfect. I like it. Huh?
Wait.
I like it.
This so
Huh?
hard.
That's so hard? Oh, you mean that is big? That's super big, I think. Huh? Ayun, malapit na. I think so, like a monster. Ayun, oh. Oh, it's go there. Pull. Wow. Good boy. Wow. Huh? Roll it. Wow. Dito tayo picture tayo sa may tubig. Come on. Here. Come on. Dito tayo. Picture tayo na naman. Wow, rilag bayok-yok di ko ano. O rilag bayok-yok di na alaming alamas. Iman.
Hi.
Say cheese.
Hi guys.
Mhm.
I got the third one eating some chips.
Taga-fishing ha. Ayan nahuli ni Iman niya.
Can I feed him a chip?
Yeah. Ayos. Fisherman na ako. Walang naglumas di panulong mo. Ha?
Go count your fish. Me?
One is super big. Huh? Daingan, tata fisherman kon.
It made me go.
Ha? Oh.
Stop it, moving.
Okay, roll it. Yeah. Ah, malaki ito. Dakila to. Keep rolling. Ah. This one is big.
Hi guys. So I tried to pull it, and that's my fishing rod, and I tried to pull it, and it was very hard.
Yeah, it's too big.
Dakila pa siya niya.
Let's see how big it is.
Yeah.
Go there.
It's like super hard.
Oh, oops. Pasuga, takkel. Takkel. This one is heavyweight. Look at that. Nagtakkelan.
Got that fish, and I need a help because, like,
Isu mo lang mati na maguyod ah. Ne, nagtakkel na mati na maguyod. Ay, nagato karne na ato yan dyan. Nagimas nga ipis bulato yan. Ah, picture. Ivan, come on, support Ivan.